How to remove text under widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and press and hold on an empty area of your home screen. After a moment, your apps will begin to jiggle, indicating you've entered edit mode. Now, tap on Edit in the top left corner. Then, tap on Customize from the available options. This opens the home screen customization interface. Now, tap on this icon on the bottom right as shown, which is to enlarge the app icons. You will see a preview of your home screen, and the text labels will now be hidden. This way, you can switch between small and large whenever you want. When you return to your home screen, the text labels under your widgets and app icons will be gone. When you're finished, simply tap anywhere on the screen to exit the customization view. Following these steps, you can easily remove text under widget on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.